how to make money online in Nigeria with phone. In today's video, I am going to show you the business models which you can actually do from today and start making money with your Android phone, right? That Android phone you are holding in your hand right now is a very good tool to make money online in Nigeria. But if you don't know how to utilize it properly, it is going to be a liability to you, right? So if you want to learn how to make good money online in Nigeria, then you have to watch this video all the way till the very end. Hello, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Johnpaul Onwueme, a blogger and an affiliate marketer. If you want my personal coaching on how to make money online from blogging and affiliate marketing, you are going to see the link to contact me in the video description, right? So if you want to contact me for one-on-one coaching on blogging and affiliate marketing, check out the link in the video description. So the first business you can actually do with your Android phone to make money online in Nigeria is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the type of marketing where you sell other people's products or service and you get a commission in return. That is a simple definition of affiliate marketing, right? So this is a very simple online business you can actually do with your phone, right? So there are many benefits of doing affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own product, right? You don't need to create your own product. The vendors have already done everything for you. Your own part is to get a product that you want to promote and you start promoting it. Once you make a sale, you are going to get a commission directly to your bank account. So that is basically how affiliate marketing is, right? Now, I'm going to show you a good platform you can actually join and start promoting affiliate products. The platform, the affiliate network I highly recommend you join is StakeCut, right? StakeCut is free to join. It is free to join. You can join the platform, pick a product that you are interested in, and you start promoting it. But I'm going to tell you the whole truth about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing seems easy, but once you start it, it is going to be very difficult for you to start making money from affiliate marketing. That is why you need a comprehensive affiliate marketing training that is going to show you step-by-step process on how to actually make money from affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to get the full affiliate marketing skill, just contact me via the link in the description of this video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to start affiliate marketing and the best way to make money from affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Now, the second business you can actually do with your phone and start making money for yourself right from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is blogging, right? Blogging is a very good online business you can do with your phone and make money online for yourself. I personally do blogging and I know how profitable blogging is, right? That is why I always recommend you start blogging if you really want to make money online in Nigeria, right? So for you to make money online through blogging, you also need a comprehensive training on blogging, because if you want to do blogging without any experience, without any coaching, you are going to waste your time, you are going to waste your whole resources trying to learn how to make money from blogging. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm just telling you the truth, right? So blogging is very, very broad. The truth is that you can learn blogging from YouTube. You can find different blogging tutorials on YouTube, watch them, and start implementing. But I can tell you that it is going to take you years to discover how everything works, right? It is going to take you years. I have been there and I know exactly how the system is, right? So if you want to learn blogging for free, you can take advantage of different YouTube videos on YouTube and learn gradually. But if you want to get the step-by-step process on how to start blogging and start making money from blogging, then I have a mentorship program you can join. Once you join, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to start blogging and start making money via blogging. So if you want to learn blogging step by step, contact me via the link in the description of this video. So the next online business you can actually do with your Android phone and make money online in Nigeria is starting a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is very, very profitable if you are targeting the right audience for your business, right? Once you want to start a YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is to define your target audience. Once you define your target audience, it is going to be very easier for you to grow your YouTube channel and start making money with your YouTube channel. It is very, very easy. And starting a YouTube channel is 100% free. You don't need to pay any money to start your YouTube channel. All you need to do is to make videos consistently so that your target audience will always see your videos and watch your videos every single time. Now, for you to start a YouTube channel, all you need to do is to pick a niche. That is the area you will be talking about. There are different areas, there are different niches, so it all depends on what you are interested in. I hope you are getting what I am saying. For instance, if you enjoy talking about how to travel from Nigeria to Canada, that is your area of interest, you can start talking about that on YouTube and start growing your audience, right? So once you grow your audience, you can start affiliate marketing right on your YouTube channel. You can go to StakeCut, the website I mentioned earlier. There are products about traveling you can start promoting to your audience. And once your audience buy your affiliate product, you are going to get your commission. It is as simple as that. Now, if you enjoy cooking, you can start a YouTube channel about cooking. Make videos on how to prepare different dishes, right? People are interested in this kind of videos. So if you start a YouTube channel on this topic, you are going to grow a massive audience who will consistently watch your videos anytime you drop a new video. So guys, I have just showed you 3 powerful online business you can start today with your Android phone and start making passive income right from the comfort of your home. So I encourage you to start anyone you want. If you like blogging, learn blogging and start your online business from today. If you prefer affiliate marketing, start affiliate marketing today and grow your online business. And then if you enjoy making videos just the way I am shooting this video right now, you can start a YouTube channel and grow your online business via YouTube. Online business is very, very profitable, right? It is very, very profitable. Once you know the strategy to grow your online business, it is very, very profitable. So I encourage you to start your online business today. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you are going to be the first to get notified by YouTube. If you want to learn affiliate marketing from A to Z, or you want to learn blogging from A to Z, join my mentorship program today. If you want to join my mentorship program, the link to contact me is right in the video description. So go down to the video description and send me a direct message on WhatsApp.